Hello, and welcome to another video of Botpenguin. Today, we will let you know about the pricing of WhatsApp Chatbot. So before we start, we will let you know how the pricing works. WhatsApp Chatbot's pricing is different from that of Website Chatbot. Unlike Website, which used number of messages as a parameter, WhatsApp Chatbot uses number of conversations as a parameter. What it exactly means is that when a user starts or replies to Chatbot's message, a conversation starts at that point of time, and it counted as one conversation within 24 hours. And as soon as the conversation crosses the 24-hour mark, it is counted as two conversations and so on. So basically, here you are paying for the number of conversations like you did for the number of messages in Website Chatbot. But in WhatsApp, we don't charge for the number of messages inside those conversations. We only charge for the conversations. Now, coming to the pricing plans of WhatsApp Chatbot, firstly, we have the free or the baby plan. In this plan, you get 100 conversations per month, which is a free forever plan and restores every month for free. Then the first plan start from rupees 5,000 per year for a 1,000 conversations per month and scales up to rupees 500,000 per year for 500,000 conversations per month. We also have an enterprise plan where you get unlimited conversations, and if you need that, you can always reach out to us via the contact details given in the description and get a custom enterprise plan for yourself. So this was all from our side in this video. We hope it was helpful for you, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to us or also leave a comment, and we will reach out to you. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.